You can also assign a macro to a shape, a clipper, a picture, or any object for that matter. For example, what I might do is highlight or select row 1 and just insert 5 rows. Then what I might do is I might go to the Insert tab in my ribbon and I'll go to Shapes. I might select from the Basic Shapes collection the Bevel button and I'll click Bevel. I'll then drag to make a button. If I then right-click the button, I can assign a macro. And I'll assign the address macro. And OK. I'll then add some text, click to insert address. And I'll press Center. I'll go to the Home tab and hit the Center button to center the text. If I then click in a cell and click my button, it inserts my address. I might add another shape to insert the date. I'll go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, I'll go to Shapes, and from the Basic Shapes, I'll click Bevel. I'll then drag to make a button. I'll then right-click to assign a macro, and I'll assign Today, and OK. I'll then add the text, click to insert date. And from the Home tab, I'll center the text. If I then click in a cell and click the button, it will insert today's date.